Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Happy Friday, Central Oregon. We are in the transition day. If you haven't already noticed how dark it is over the Cascades right now, that is because we are seeing some activity already from this low pressure system as it's entering into Central Oregon. Here on the satellite radar is just a nice long stretch of showers moving across the Cascades that mimics what we see here on our vapor image. All that moisture in the air moving through the region, even seeing a little bit of lightning strikes off to our northeast. We shouldn't see any of those tonight. We're mostly just looking at that chance for the rain to start. With our winds tonight, we're going to stay on the gusty side with winds a little bit stronger than we've had the last 2 days. We could see them sustained up to 20, maybe even 25 miles per hour with some gusts anywhere from 25 to 30. So rather breezy conditions for us tonight, quite a bit more than we've had over the last couple of days. Our continuation of a cool down was today. You can see our temperatures were in those low 70s in Eugene, and the 60s from Portland out into the Dalles. Still in the 80s, however, off to our east. Here's where we're looking at tomorrow. Look at this shift in temperatures. 50s along the coast, high 50s in Eugene, low 60s in Portland, mid to high 50s here in Central Oregon with a few low 60s. Here are the temperatures we're at right now. This is the coolest we have been in several days. Already into the 50s in Madras, Sisters, Sun River, and La Pine. 60s for Bend, Redmond, Prineville, and 66 in Warm Springs. Tonight we continue that cool down. We stay in the high 30s to low 40s for the most part. 36 in Sun River and La Pine, 37 in Sisters, and then the warmer areas in Central Oregon should be Bend at 43, and then Warm Springs and Prineville at 42. That chance for rain sticks with us too tonight, and hopefully you didn't pack your sweaters because this is a pretty cool temperature from what we're used to. More than 10 degrees cooler than normal. We're seeing the low 50s in Sun River and La Pine to the low 60s in Warm Springs, 60 in Redmond. Here's how the system is moving in and why we're seeing such a steep impact. This low pressure system comes in pretty quickly into the Pacific Northwest along the coast. Then on Sunday, it actually drops in right over the state, and this is when we begin to see those strong chances for rain. I'm going to step off here so you can watch this. Here's that chance for rain tonight. We see it just for a little bit this evening, and we get just a little break after 10 o'clock until we get into the early hours of tomorrow. And pretty much from 8 a.m. on, you are going to see scattered showers, mixed precipitation. Look at that blue along the Cascades, and then there we are with that chance for some rain and mixed showers all the way through the weekend. We're actually looking at a chance for rain all the way until Tuesday.